today we're going back in the forest here. You remember on the last...
We can go this way. We never went there. I say we went try to go this way, but we had a bunch of bamboo sticks.
Bamboo?
Bamboo.
Bamboo.
Bamboozies.
Bamboo.
Alright, anyway. We're here today. We're doing it in nature. Everybody's been stuck inside because of... How do you say it?
No, the virus.
The virus. So, I decided, and the kids are already decided, to go in the woods and get out of the house for a little bit because the woods is safe. So we just came to the woods and we find nothing but clothes.
Clothes.
What? Why? People in their trash. They're slugs. They don't know where to. What? Don't.
What?
I heard you.
Well, we can't blame anybody for that anymore.
But there's better spots to put that at. But understand, no one really goes back here. I mean, nobody. Now, I want to let you know we came in a different way. Just to let you guys know.
Can we go play a game?
Can we play a game? What game are we playing?
Hide and go seek.
Hide and go seek. Let's
Yeah.
just check out the woods for a little bit. Let's go see if we can find a deer.
Yeah!
Yeah, what's that little box?
Deer.
There's a box. A box. I like treasures. So, there's a box. Is there anything in the box? It's emptied. I just heard it. It's emptied. There's. Move up.
When we're done adventuring this, can we go play hide and go?
Hide and go seek.
I found a rat.
Come on.
Wow! It's a rat! It's a rat!
See, what we gotta really look out for, make sure we're not stepping on glass. That's why I really don't want you to wear these shoes, because you just don't know what you're gonna step on. Or twist your ankle.
So when we're done adventuring this forest, can we go play hide and go seek?
Maybe.
I found a den. We're gonna hunt some wolves down. We'll have to let
What is that area?
Huh. Well, that's pretty cool. I don't know if anybody can see that. Oh, it must be thunder and lightning would hit it. Maybe. Who knows?
Is it a boat?
It's bowed, yeah.
Boat?
No, it's not a boat. Rowan, Lisa, put that stick down.
I'm leaving if you keep on acting up.
Wait, want to see what's up the hill?
We're climbing the hill.
Hey, maybe that's a big wise decision. Here he is. Luckily you were going this way. You know why? I'll show you. What do you call that? A hut.
Mom,
You're not going on my side. You're not going on my side.
Yeah, you gotta keep your mouth down. Give it down. Alright, so there's a track up here. We're trying to not go near the hut. So we kind of figured of going this way.
what hut?
There's a hut. Don't know what's in the hut, so we don't want to know, right? We want to keep everybody in
Like
peace.
this way.
Respect, right? This way. Respect, right?
Yep.
Yes, you see it.
It looks like somebody's lives in there. Looks like somebody lives in there. They're trying not to
Oh, I know where Mommy's going. Mom's going to the water, to the lake. All right.
What does the river or lake look like?
Lisa, let's go. Hey Rose, I think I know where we're at. We were here before, wasn't we?
Yeah. Do you think it's time for the Delano?
What's that? No. So it leads into a dead end, huh? What are you talking about, Lisa? Lisa, what are you talking about? Let me go her way.
Come on, Rose. Come on.
Just stay there right there, Lisa. Okay, what do you see? What do you see?
If you look over there in that area,
Yeah?
you can see like some structure.
Okay. Alright. Keep your eyes open. Alright. I think this is Jarvis Road. What do you think?
Right up there is Jarvis Road.
Right up where?
That way.
That way is Jarvis Road?
Yeah.
So we just lead ourselves into another development? Oh, great.
This is the dirt road where it's a private residency.
Deja vu all over again.
Ooh.
A couple years before they cut down the woods, you know that house development, the one with the horseshoe. Well, it used to be all woods, and back there was private property. And me and my friend went back there because we were going in the woods, just had some fun, and never mind.
You got caught and then you...
Didn't get caught. Guy told us to get off his property, and we didn't mean to be on his property. We didn't know we were on his property. He shoot a BB gun at one of us. Yeah. So, let's not have deja vu all over again.
Let's take the road.
You're going to take the road.
You want to take the road?
No.
You want to head back?
All right, guys, you got two choices. You girls.
Yes.
We can go back inside the woods, or we can start heading home.
Go back in the woods.
Go back in the woods.
Go back in the woods. Oh, we're going back into the woods. What did I say when I was back here? When I said when I used to come here? What did me and my friends do back here?
Ride bikes and...
Yes, someone's riding their bike back here. So just be careful, all right? I think it's pretty cool still watching people actually still do it. All right? There.
We're in your property?
No. This is public.
Yeah. This is fine.
They're making new jumps.
Yeah, like I said, this is what we...
All right. Where's
Imagine-
the best route?
This is the route. This is...
I know. No.
No, don't pick
Lisa?
anything off the ground. Don't pick anything off the ground.
Okay, bye. Lisa.
All right, let's see if it comes down. Hold up. Girls, get out of the way. No, up there, hon. Michelle, where you going? Rose and Lisa, come back.
I want to stay here. No.
Unbelievable. That's fine. We can watch some bike. All right, watch out.
Woo!
Awesome, nice job, man.
Thank you.
All right, we can head up to the hill.
Okay.
Uh,
Camden County Tech? But what is it like there? Okay, Mom, what? Wait, you did it.
now there's two of us. Me and
And all
Lisa.
the girls are going bye-byes. The girls are going bye-byes.
So we figured it'd be out here. So that's the end of the video. We enjoyed ourselves, didn't we? We stayed for a little bit. We cut the video off. We're watching the kids make some jumps and all that and see what they're doing. One of the kids has a skateboard. It was pretty cool actually watching them. Better than being inside, right? Gotta do something outside. You're gonna go crazy like us, right? So I'm hoping everybody stays safe, healthy, and do what you gotta do to keep your family healthy and safe. So with all that being said, thanks for watching. Peace out.